Well, tonight a mother of three is behind bars. Gulfport police arrested her after finding her children in a bus alone at the beach. Officers say they instead found her on a boat smoking marijuana with a friend. Our JJ Burton is in Gulfport with what else officers found when they searched that bus.
I spoke to a few parents out here today and they were shocked.
That's ridiculous.
An officer on patrol found three kids, ages 3, 6, and 9, awake and alone inside this bus around 4:40 Saturday morning. It was parked here at Gulfport Beach Park.
I'm getting chills just thinking about it. Take her kids away. That's it.
And this is what the officer found when he got inside.
The conditions of the bus were deplorable to the extent that the children were using a bucket to use the bathroom. The children were seen dirty, half dressed. They report that they have not been washed regularly.
The kids told the officer they hadn't eaten in hours. This is their mother, 33-year-old Andrea Cairns. She also uses the last name Boyd sometimes. Officers found her hours later on a boat smoking weed with a friend.
The mom did admit to leaving the children around 9 p.m. the evening before.
Officers say Cairns planned to spend the night on the boat while her kids slept here.
I mean, even if it was a bus and she was there with the propane tank or whatever it is, maybe she can't afford stuff, but to leave the kids by themselves, why would you do that?
According to the state's attorney, Cairns gave her kids instructions in case a stranger walked up to their bus.
Just yell loudly and poke a stranger in the eye.
Cairns is from Tennessee. Her public defender checked and says he didn't find a record for her in the Tampa area, and he didn't find one in Tennessee either. The three kids are staying with a foster family right now. Their mother will be able to see them with supervised visits 2 days a week. Reporting in Gulfport, JJ Burton, ABC, Action News.